Good morning, Clay Thompson here at Guaranty RV Center. Today I'm going to show you a very fresh trade-in. It's a 2016 Heartland Cyclone. It is a 3418 floor plan. Very unique, so pay attention if this is what you're looking for. I know they're very hard to come by, so check it out. Come on inside. So this is a full open floor plan. There are no slides in the cargo area. Plenty of windows, nice wainscoting, lots of cabinets. Two sets of double bunk below opposing dinette setup. So sleeps a lot, eats a lot, sits a lot, and has plenty of cargo space. We're about 14 feet of cargo space. This has the all-season rear wall that opens up and or closes with the patio ramp down. Also has the fencing around for the patio kit. Plenty of windows, so again, this is not a dark unit for a toy hauler. As we face around, it has the living room area with some freestanding Euro type chairs with the large flat screen, residential style Sony surround sound, the fireplace, plenty of cabinets with an upstairs kitchen. So as we go upstairs, we got the kitchen sink area here, overlooking the living area, cabinets throughout. The kitchen on this is the slide out. Lower cabinets below, drawers, more cabinets. Used every little spot they could. 4-door refrigerator, gas and electric. Nice. It's got the oven, 3-burner cooktop, full-size microwave. Very, very nice. Hallway into the bedroom. And the wardrobe is the second slide out on this fifth wheel. So it has a nice mirrored wardrobe that slides out. A couple of shelves, plenty of storage space there. Cabinets and drawers at the head of the bed. A very firm mattress, as you see. Just kidding. We would put a mattress in, or if you have your mattress of your likings, you could put your own mattress in. It's a queen size, made for a queen size bed. Thermostat in the bedroom for the bedroom AC, the second air conditioner. Cabinet space above and beside. Storage underneath the bed. Bedroom TV is already in here. And this has a pass-through bathroom from the bedroom in here with the corner glass enclosure for the shower. Porcelain toilet, solid surface countertops, nice big vanity, storage down below. Pocket door here separating from the living room. And then as we come down here to the landing area, we have the monitor station here, our fantastic fan open and close, switches, slide switches, monitor panel for our gauges, tanks and capacities, gas and electric hot water switches, all right here, real easy to get to. Storage inside with the 110 and the 12 volt breaker and fuses. This is going to have a central vac system built in so we can vacuum the area. The carpet down below here is a roll-up carpet. Has the rubberized non-skid material below, so as we have our machines or our cargo inside, we can roll the carpet up, store it beside, and then put the carpet back down once our cargo is outside and be able to walk around our bare feet. Come on outside, let me show you some other details. So we are a Heartland dealer. We do sell the Cyclones brand new. This is a discontinued floor plan. So, but what I want to show you is, does have the dual power awnings, the high gloss gel coat, the auto leveling system, the correct track suspension alignment system with the Dexter axles and the large wheels and tires. Second power awning out the back. So on the door side here with a patio awning, and all of the awnings have the LED light strips underneath them. This will have the awning to come out the back, out for our back patio. Has the built-in ladder on the side to get up to the roof for roof access. 12-volt fuel pump station underneath there. And then this particular one actually has two fueling stations, so one separate for the pump station, one separate for the generator. So in case we want to run different octanes, we can do that. Gas and electric hot water heater here. Basement storage on this side. Nice thick baggage doors, so they are a sealed and enclosed underbelly. 50 amp cord service. Therefore, we're going to have the 5500 watt generator as well. This would be the wardrobe slide out here. Painted end cap here on the end cap. The 5500 watt generator. And then once we sell it, we would put and furnish two brand new batteries in there for you and fill the propane tanks. This has the tight turn technology on the end cap, so if you have a short box pickup, no worries, we don't have to pay that extra money for the extra slider hitch. A standard hitch will work with this tight turn technology designed by Heartland. Basement storage underneath here gives us access to the leveling system, to our central vacuum system to change out the bags. Auxiliary, we could set up another TV out here with plug-in and satellite or cable hookups here. 12-volt stereo system here for our outside stereo system. Battery disconnect in behind, and then our leveling monitor panel right there to level ourselves out to auto level. LP quick disconnect underneath there, so if we want to have our barbecue set up outside, we can just connect it to that quick disconnect and have LP system right there, real handy. That about wraps it up in this pre-owned 2016 Heartland Cyclone, the 3418 model. Again, my name is Clay Thompson with Guaranty RV Center. I've been with the company for 15 years. I'm here to help you find your needs and get you the right RV for you. If you have any questions on this product or any other products you may be looking for, feel free to call me. If we don't have it, we can find it for you. Again, Clay Thompson with Guaranty RV Center, 541-979-1770. Call me direct. Thank you.